So Mateo flips a coin and chooses a card from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability that Mateo flips tails and then chooses a jack? Okay, so two things are happening here. He's flipping a coin and he's choosing a card. So I need to have two separate probabilities when I start this problem. So first I want to ask myself, well, what's the probability that he'll flip tails? Well, there's two different sides on a coin. One of them is a tails, so there's a 1/2 chance that he'll flip a tails. Then I have to ask myself, well, what's the probability that he chooses a jack? Well, there's 4 jacks in a standard deck of cards, and there's 52 total cards. So those are my two probabilities, and I want both of those to happen. I want the first one and then the second one. And in probability, that means you multiply. So we're going to multiply 1/2 times 4/52. And remember, if you have a good calculator, you can use the fraction button. And if you don't, you can just turn each of these into a decimal and then turn your answer options into a decimal as well. When I calculated it, I got 1 out of 26.